Hello guys, in this video I will teach you to host your own Minecraft server in your own PC in any Minecraft version to play with your friends, and we will use the Minecraft server distribution of Spigot. Spigot is well known by its great variety of mods, of free mods you can find it in its web page, and it also has a big community. So if you find a server which has a lot of mods, it will probably be hosted on Spigot. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is to install Java the 21st version. You will go to this page that I will post in the description of this video, and you will select your operating system, your architecture, the package type, specifically GDK, and the version we want, in this case the 21st version. And then in my case I will download the MSI packet, and when it finishes downloading you will double click the file and the installation window will appear. You will click next, accept terms and conditions, next, 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 and then it will ask for administrator permissions and you will click yes. It is not malicious, this program, so you will wait. When it finishes downloading you will click on finish, and the next step is to download BuildTools. You will go to Google or any browser and search Spigot. I also will post this page on the description, but the thing that concerns us is the downloads. You will click this link, and there are a lot of download links, but the one that interests us is this one, buildtools.exe. So you will click and click download. When it finishes downloading you will double click again, and then a Windows security message may appear, but you will only click more information and open anyways. BuildTools is like an app that allows us to download any Minecraft version of Spigot. So in my case I will choose the 1.21.4 version, and then I will put like file name Spigot, and I will download in this directory, and I will just click compile. An error of Java version may appear. So if, for example, you are trying to downloading a Java Minecraft version 1.8, it may need another Java version like Java 12. So you will only go to the same page that we were and click the version 12. Well, there is no version 12, in this case 11, and you will click download that version, and the error from BuildTools should disappear. The download from BuildTools take a lot of time, like 5 to 10 minutes, so we have to wait. So when it finishes downloading successfully, this window will appear with a success message. You just have to close this window, both of them, and the next thing you're going to do is open your File Explorer into the directory you downloaded your Java file. So in my case I downloaded the 3 files in a same directory, and I recommend you to do that. So you will click the hotkey combination Windows R, and here you will click CMD. Next you will, in the directory space, you will click, and like a directory that will be different from everybody will appear. So you just want to copy it and paste it in the CMD, but before you want to type the command cd. So this will be the full command cd space and the directory of your Java file. Now you just want to enter the command java space dash jar space and your file name. In my case is spigot.jar. Enter. And then a lot of things will start to download, but it won't fully start because the EULA is set as false. The EULA is basically the norms you have to follow if you want to have a Minecraft server. So the only thing you have to do is to open the txt of the EULA and change it from false to true. and save this file. You can now close it and open again cmd and literally enter the same command you just entered before, java -jar spigot.jar, and then a lot of things will start to download, and if everything goes well, this window should appear and your Minecraft server will start to function correctly. If everything went well, it should say it's done, the time it took to get up, and your server is now turned on in the following IP. Here it says this asterisk means that it is on in your IP, in your local host, and this is the port which it is turned on. So I will open my Minecraft in the version 1.21.4. So now I have my Minecraft open. So the thing you have to do is to click on direct connection and click localhost, and this should load your world. Why localhost and why did I don't put the port? The default port is 25565, so I don't have to put it. And localhost because you are hosting it, so you can. It's the same as typing 127.0.0.1. It's the same thing, and it is the same thing as typing the IP plus the port, but it like saves you a little of time. So we can go to the next part, the mods. So the first thing you want to do is to turn off your server by typing the command stop on the command prompt, because for the mods to apply, the server has to be off. So you will have to go to the Spigot mods webpage, which I will also put in the description. And here we have the list of the 67,000 mods available on this webpage, and I will download 3 of them to show you how it works. For example, via version that allows newer versions to connect, important one. And I will make sure that the version of my server is on this list version. In this case, yes, I have the 1.21. It is here, so I will download it, and inside the carpet of my server, I will click the subcarpet plugins and click on save. That's all you have to do for each plugin you want to download. For example, I want also to Essential X to download. But in this case, the 1.21 version is still not supported, so I can't download it. For example, Simple TPA, yes, it is for 1.21, so I will also download it. What another protocol is, for example, it is also for 1.21, and I will stay with those 3. And before starting our Minecraft server with the new plugins, we may want to check the server.properties file, which has like the configurations of your server. In the main carpet of your server, you will click on this file server.properties, and I will open it with Visual Studio Code, but you may open it with another editor like Notepad. So we have a lot of configuration here, like for example difficulty. I will put like hard, I don't know. What another important one? Gun mode. I will put creative. Another one. We can also activate a hardcore function here. We can put here the seed of the level of the world if you want to have an IC. I don't know. Here is the name of the server. For example, I will put tutorial. Online mode. If this line equals true, then no premium players will not be able to join, but it is not recommended. You can also here deactivate PvP. I will leave it as true. For example, you can activate the whitelist if you want to by putting true here, and in the carpet of your server you can see the whitelist file, but I won't put it, so I will leave it as false. So now that you have configured your server, you will just save this and close it, and go to your command prompt and type the same line again. This line basically starts your Minecraft server. It says, using Java, open the Java file spigot.jar. So it will take again a little of time to load the new plugins, and if there is an error, like for example, the plugin you installed is not for the version you have, it will show you the correct link to download. But in my case, it ran without problems. It says done. We will open our Minecraft again. Click on multiplayer, direct connection, and localhost. Enter. If, if everything goes correctly, you should be able to join with your Minecraft version. I have a premium Minecraft version. Yeah, if you want to check the plugins there are in your server, you will have to enter the chat and type plugins. And as we can see, we have here the three plugins I just downloaded. Simple TPA, via version, and protocol leaf, the ones we wanted. So yeah, that's all. So until this video, we have our Minecraft server, but our friends are not able to join still, because your Minecraft server is just running on your computer and it is not making it public by any way. So in the next video, I will show you how to make it public by using playit.gg, a software that is used to make your server public and for Minecraft and other games. And we will avoid the method of port forwarding since it can lead to insecurities. Thank you for seeing this video, and if you have doubts or problems, don't doubt in putting them in the comments below. Thank you.